How to share link of Amazon product. So go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Once you're in the home page of the app, scroll down to find the item that you want to share the link. Now here, just tap on that item. It will then be expanded together with its price, sizing, and any other details of that specific item. On top of the image is an arrow button. This is a share icon, so click on that. These additional options will then show, and in here just choose the copy button. The link of the item will automatically be copied to your clipboard. Now to share this, I will try sending it on Messenger, so let's exit the Amazon app and open the app wherever you are sharing the item link. Tap on the conversation and just choose to paste in here. As you can see, the name of the Amazon item together with its link is now in here. So that is how to share link of Amazon product. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.